Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to a new week of Wake Up. This week we're going to focus on long division. We're going to do two problems for you this morning. Decimal form answer, or decimal form quotient for the first one, and the second one is going to be a mixed number form. Does McDonald's serve cheeseburgers rare? Divide, multiply, subtract, check, answer, bring down, and repeat is our process. I really want you to focus this week on being sure that you are keeping everything nice, neat, and organized. So for example, on nice, neat, and organized, we're going to do our first step here in division. We're going to look at our divisor 3 and figure out how many times it goes into the first number in the dividend, which is 5. 3 goes into 5 one time. I'm going to put that 1 right above the 5. 1 times 3 is 3. I'm going to put the 3 right below the 5 and subtract, I get 2. Next thing I'm going to do is bring down the 8. You must show your arrows when you bring things down. 3 goes into 28 9 times. I'm going to put the 9 right above the number I brought down. 9 times 3 is 27. 28 minus 27 is 1. I'm going to bring down this 7. And I am going to figure out how many times 3 goes into 17. 3 goes into 17 5 times. I'm going to put the 5 right above the 7 I brought down. 3 times 5 is 15. Subtract. I have 2 left over. Because this number has to be, or this quotient has to be in decimal form, I'm going to add a decimal point and 3 zeros, which is our rule. I'm going to also put the decimal point up above here so I don't forget. Now I have a new number to bring down. I'm going to bring down the 0. I know 3 goes into 26 times. I'm going to put a 6 right above the 0 that I brought down. I'm going to put a 6 right above the 0 I brought down. 6 times 3 is 18. I subtract. I get 2. I have another 0 to bring down. 20 is my new number that I'm dividing. 3 goes into 26 times again. 3 times 6 is 18. 20 minus 18 is 2, and I'm going to bring down the 0. 3 goes into 26 times again. 6 times 3 is 18. Subtract. 20 minus 18 is 2. I am done. I have no more zeros to bring down, and you know that after I bring down the 3 zeros, I can go ahead and round. So when I look at my answer, I'm going to round to the nearest hundredth. This 6 is in the hundredths place. We draw an arrow to the boss, which is a 6. So that 6 makes this 6 a 7. My final answer is going to be 195 and 670 thousandths. I'm going to box that. Remember, you can round to the nearest hundredth when answering in decimal form. My second problem is 1,928 divided by 5. This time I'm going to expect you to give me a mixed number form answer. 5 does not go into 1, so I make sure I put my place value holder here above the 1. 5 goes into 19 3 times. 3 times 5 is 15. 19 minus 15 is 4. Bring down the 2. 5 goes into 42 8 times. I'm putting that 8 right above, and get rid of this stuff so we can see better. And put that 8 right above the 2 I brought down. 8 times 5 is 40. 42 minus 40 is 2. Bring down the 8, showing that arrow. 5 goes into 28 5 times. I'm going to write that 5 right above the 8 I brought down. 5 times 5 is 25. Subtract, I have 3 left over because I can do mixed number answers. This remainder and this divisor makes up the fraction part of my quotient. Whoopsies. So my final answer is going to be 385 and 3/5. Remember, the remainder goes in the numerator and the divisor goes in the denominator. Good luck with your wake up this week.